Good morning, students. Welcome to video lecture on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning with Python. Subject code U18EC502A. Topic Python variables. Python variables. The equal operator is used to assign value to a Python variable. We don't need to declare variable in Python. When we assign any value to the variable, that variable is declared automatically. Variable name that is used to refer to memory location. Python variable is also known as an identifier and used to hold value. In Python, we don't need to specify the type of variable because it is smart enough to get the variable type. Variable names can be a group of letters and digits. They have to begin with a letter or an underscore. Variable naming. Variables are the examples of identifiers. The rule to name an identifier are given below. The first character of the variable must be an alphabet or underscore. All the remaining characters may be lowercase, uppercase, underscore, or digits from 0 to 9. Variable name must not contain white space and special character. Please note, variable name must not contain white space and special character. Variable name must not be similar to a keyword that is already defined in Python programming. In Python programming, the variable names are case sensitive, valid variable naming, invalid variable naming. Here it contains some space and some special characters. Simple print command, a equal to 20. By specifying a, it will directly print the value of a, or you can print with the help of simple print command. It will print the value of variable a. With the help of supporting string, here something is written in quotation, means this can be considered as string. With the help of string, we can print the value of variable. Here, by specifying the variable name, we can print the supporting string along with the value of the variable. Assigning values to the variable, assigning single value to multiple variables. Single value assignment, assigning multiple values to multiple variables at a time. A comma B comma C is equal to 5 comma 10 comma 15 means A assigned with 5, B assigned with 10, C assigned with 15. And with the help of simple print commands, you can print the values of variable. Python variables are case sensitive. Just to go through the sample program. Here the defined variable names are case sensitive. Hash. It is used for single line comment in Python programming. After hash, the remaining thing, whatever you enter, that will be considered as comment. Python variable types. In Python programming, two types of variables are there. One is local variable, the second is global variable. Local variable. Local variables are the variables that are declared inside the function. Inside the function, and the scope of the local variable is within the function. We can use local variables inside the function only. Global variables. These are the variables declared outside the function, and its scope is in the entire program. Local variable example. Here uh, we are defining some add function, add or add one. It is user defined name with some colon, some indented blocks of function. We can call add function, add one. Here whatever name that you specify while defining of the function, the same name you have to use while calling the function. These are the body of functional statements. Now here the values a equal 20 and b equal to 30 are declared inside the function. Here this is the position of functional declaration and function call. Uh, the variables are defined within the function, so they are considered as local variables. Their scope is limited within the function. Global variables. The variables are defined outside the function. Their scope is throughout the program. Valid variables. Valid variables starts with letter of English alphabets and can start with underscore. You can observe name, age, or you can a underscore 1, b underscore 2. Like that you can define valid variables. And with the help of simple print commands, you can print the values of variable. Invalid variables. Invalid variables include special characters and some space in between the characters. Uh, if we execute, if we represent the variable in that fashion, we get invalid variable or cannot assign to operator, some error. We get some syntax error. Delete variable. We can delete the variable by using del command. Here we are defining some variable x equal to 6. Simple print command. It will print the value of the variable. Once after executing delete command, the program will delete uh, the variable named x and its associated values. And after delete command, if we want to access that particular variable, we get some error, that is name x is not defined. Specify a variable or simply casting in Python. Casting can be done with the help of constructor functions. Int converts x to an integer, float converts x to a float, string converts an object x to string representation, hexadecimal, octal convert to list, dictionary, tuple, evaluates a string and returns an object, set converts variable s to set, char converts an integer to a character, unichar converts an integer to a Unicode character. Casting. Converting 1, 2.8, 3 into integers. casting integers. The next is casting float. Uh, Here, by specifying float function, you can convert the given values to float, character to float, sorry, string to float. Here, uh, 3 is written in double quote, means 3 can be considered as string, and with the help of this particular float, uh, this can be converted to float. And here also, the next 4.2 declared within the string, actually uh, declared within the quotation, means this is considered as a string. With the help of float command, this is converted to float. In the same way, you can convert a variable value into complex number. That is, x equal to complex of 1, means this can be converted to a complex quantity 1 plus 0j. In the same way, you can convert the different variables, different data types into complex. Thank you. We will meet with the next lecture.